Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make a inexpensively glam shadow box room decor piece for your room. To complete this DIY, you're going to need these items. I will leave a link in the description box of what they are and where I purchased them from and how you can also purchase them. Okay, so to get started, let's go ahead and invite all of our subscribers who are not family members to go ahead and subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button right down below. Also to turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified of all new uploads from me. Okay, so thank you for joining us as well, and thank you for all my return subscribers for coming back once again to support our channel. You guys, be sure that your notification bell is turned on to the all position, and be sure to share the video with those that you would love to share them with. It helps the channel grow, and I really do appreciate it. So getting started with this DIY, the first thing we're going to do is to remove the writing off of these put together to make shadow boxes. We're going to remove it with this acetone nail polish remover. So you can also use a razor blade to remove this. It has to be acetone polish in order for this to work, okay? So you want to remove it off with this as much as you can. Okay, so now they are clear. I've used my acetone. I'm gonna take this part, the inner part where it's deep, where you can see the ridge. That's the inside. That's gonna be the inside of our shadow box. So you want to take one. We're gonna work with one. You want to take that, and then you want to take your bling wrap here and cut off, which I've already done. I've cut off several strips of that bling wrap here to go inside the ridges. We're going to glue it down right along the bottom and the sides and the top, okay, of each one. And this is optional, just to give it that extra glam effect. So that's how the bottom look on that side, and we're going to do the next side and so forth. Hot glue is very hot, so be very careful. Okay, so that's how that look, and I'm going to do the other two sides and the other frame off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, lovely. So this is the box with the bling, and that's how I wanted it to look. And the next step we're going to do is apply our glam acrylic beads, and this is from the his and her section. You can purchase from Hobby Lobby. Actually, right now this weekend, Hobby Lobby is having this weekend a 50% off of their wedding section, his and hers. So now is a great time to see if they have that in stock. And also we're going to apply this decal. Now this is a vinyl decal. I did make it myself because I do make my own. I will be having decals up for sale here soon on my website that I am working on. And if you are interested in purchasing before the website comes out, then you can clearly just email me at hannadailylife@gmail.com, and we can discuss what it is that you're looking for, what you want as far as size and picture image, and I can tell you how much it will be to purchase it. All right, but for the video, I'm going to use this decal. Just like that, okay? So now we're going to place that face down on our clean glass. So once it's transferred, we're just going to peel off this tape. You see, and it's transferred over to the glass. So just so you know, as easy as this look, I had to clean up the image that I found online, the free image, and clean it up in my program before I was able to use it. So anyway, that is how it looks. Now, we're going to continue to do the rest of this DIY. So I have some fingerprints here, so I'm just going to take my rag. It's got Kleenex on it and clean off those fingerprints, because once we close up this box, we are not able to do that or make sure that all the space is clean and free of fingerprints. So you want to make sure that that is done as well. We're going to take our diamond confetti and we are going to pour it in the inside, and you could put it as much as you like in there. Okay, once you have your gems in here, we'll close up the box, and we're going to put some glue on the edges of the box. So, let's see. You want to hit the corners for sure. And then place your top on, okay? All right. So once your box is up and squeezed together, we're now going to add more bling, of course, because this is a Glam Shadow Box. So of course we're going to add more bling. So now the next thing we'll do is going to take this special bling, which is from AC Moore Craft Store. I'm going to see if I can find it on Amazon, or if not, you can always just check AC Moore's site and find it. It did not have a special name for it. So the next thing we want to do is cover our sides with it, okay? So you're going to check the sides, measure the sides, so we know we need 3 rows of bling here, okay? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to cut it and glue. So then I took a row of this, measured it to the side, and I want to measure from here to here and cut. And I'm going to need 4 of these. So I'm just going to be gluing this bling down to the edges, and then I'm going to do it on both sides. Whatever I do for this side of the box, you're going to repeat the exact same steps for the opposite side of the box. And be very careful, you guys. The hot glue is hot, and if you want to, you can just use one type of bling. I just decided to use 2 because the other bling was a little difficult to carry to the edge because the length just didn't match up. Also, don't forget to bling the top of your box. out as well as the front face of your shadow box around the edges and the inner and outer rims. Alright you guys, the final step is to take the candlestick holder, which has been previously painted in silver, and you don't have to paint it, it's up to you, and you don't have to use the stand, that is definitely up to you. However, I want mine to be elevated, so I'm going to put some glue, hot glue on the rim, and I want to be very generous with the amount of glue I'm using, and then I want to just stick it on the bottom. And if you want to, you can embellish the bottom of this DIY as well. Then I will show you guys the reveal. Alright everyone, that is the end of this DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with all your glam lovers, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will come back for another video, and if you have not yet subscribed, then please go ahead. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.